Second example, limit of y square sin square x upon x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 as xy tends to 0 0. Again we will denote this function by f of xy. First we will check this f of xy is continuous at 0 0 or not. Why at 0 0? Why at origin? Since limit of this function is as xy tends to 0 0. Therefore we will check first this function is continuous at 0 0 or not. If we find out f of 0 0, this will be 0 upon 0, again indeterminate form. So we will move forward to our next. Try two different paths and try to get different limits. If we take again path x along x-axis equation is y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0 for along x-axis we will get f of x0, which will be function 0 and its limit will be 0. Along y-axis function will be f of 0y and which will again be 0 and its limit will be again 0. For two paths we are getting same limits, but we will try another path. Let xy tends to 0 0 along y equal to mx. Function becomes, if we put y equal to mx, we will get m square x square sin square x upon x raised to 4 plus m raised to 4 x raised to 4. We will take common x raised to 4 and at numerator there is x square. The x square will get cancelled and function becomes m square sin square x upon x square into 1 plus m raised to 4. After applying limit we will get m square upon 1 plus m raised to 4. As m is arbitrary, with different values of m we will get different limits and therefore limit does not exist. Therefore we will take only one path. Which path? Y is equal to mx. With different values of f we will get different limits and therefore limit does not exist. Let xy tends to 0 0, that is origin, along y is equal to mx. Therefore function becomes f of x as it is and we will put y is equal to mx. Therefore function become f of x mx equal to m square x square into sin square x upon x raised to 4 plus at denominator there is y raised to 4. Therefore m raised to 4 x raised to 4. Now consider limit. As we have put y is equal to ms, therefore function is of only x. Therefore limit will be as x tends to 0 of f of x mx, which is equal to m square x square. First we will take here x raised to 4 common and get it cancelled. M square x square sin square x upon x raised to 4 is common, 1 plus m raised to 4. X square x raised to 4 will get cancelled, remaining m square sin square x m square sin square x upon x square into 1 plus m raised to 4. We will substitute this value here. M square into sin square x upon x square 1 plus m raised to 4, which can be rearranged like this. Then using formula limit of sin x upon x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1. This limit will become 1 and this term is independent of x, therefore that is constant, therefore it will remain as it is, m square upon 1 plus m raised to 4, and this limit will be 1. Now limit of f of xy along y equal to mx is m square upon 1 plus m raised to 4. Now with different values of m we will get different values of limit, and therefore limit does not exist. Therefore mention with different values of m we will get different limits, and therefore limit of f of xy as xy tends to 0 0 does not exist.